Today, we are going to draw a cute hedgehog from Peppa Pig. Step 1. Draw a big raindrop pointing to the side. Then, add a tiny circle on the right to make a nose. Draw 2 round eyes and a happy smile. Draw a curved line inside the body to separate the face from the back. Draw 4 little stick feet at the bottom. Last step, fill his back with lots of little lines for his spikes. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.